Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat at sa kauna-unahang performance task, kailangan nyo munang mag-download ng Adobe Air. Ang link ay nasa inyong Moodle sa Araling Panlipunan 7, week number 2. Okay, nasa week number 2. At pag na-download nyo ng Adobe Air, kailangan i-install nyo muna. Install it first. Pagkatapos nito ay mag-download kayo ng Scratch 2. At pagkatapos nyo ma-download, after downloading Scratch 2, then you install it as well. Kung na-install nyo na, magaling. Kung hindi nyo pa na-install, okay lang yan. Hindi lahat ng oras mabilis ang internet nyo. Ang kailangan natin, ang maunawaan ay kailangan yung makagawa ng animated na tourism brochure. Ayun. Animated tourism brochure. Saang lugar? Sa Pilipinas lang. Okay. Gamit ang Scratch 2. And kailangan ipakita nyo rin ang pagiging isang responsableng biyahero or a responsible tourist or a responsible traveler. So, ano ang kailangan? Number 1, it is good for tourism sa Pilipinas. Okay. Number 2, kailangan gumamit ng wikang Pilipino. Number 3, kailangan gumamit ng Scratch animation. Pang-4, kailangan ni-research or sinaliksik kung, eto na, isa-isa, paano pumunta doon? Halimbawa, gusto mong pumunta sa Bohol. Paano makapunta doon? Kailangan mong kumuha ng RT-PCR isang araw bago pumunta doon. At higit sa lahat, kailangan bumili ng ticket papunta sa lugar na yon. Pwede kang sumakay ng eroplano o sumakay ng barko kung meron pa at pinapayagan. Letter B, ano ang maganda o mahalagang makikita sa lugar na yon? Siyempre, turismo nga di ba? So, may makikita ka ba doong mga masasarap na pagkain, mga village ng mga ati, may makikita ka ba doong chocolate hills, may makikita ka ba doong mga tarsier, at kamusta na kaya ang kalagayan ng mga ito? Hindi po natin pwedeng hulaan lang kung ano ito. Kailangan isaliksik o i-research nyo. Yes. And letter C, paano maging isang mabuting turista o manlalakbay sa lugar na yon? You have to show in the dialogue how to be a good tourist or a good traveler in that place. So habang nag-uusap tayo, malamang kayo ngayon ay nag-i-install and nag-download ng inyong mga programs tulad ng Adobe Air and Scratch 2. So, para may karagdagang time pa para mag-install, tuloy natin. Saang subject ito makikredit? Una, makikredit ito sa Araling Panlipunan. Kalawa, credited din ito sa computers. Ikatlo, credited din po ito sa Filipino. At panghuli, credited din po ito sa CL. Pang-4. So, 4. At ang mga audience ninyo ay ang mga local na turista sa Pilipinas, including students and teachers of Don Bosco Technical College. Kailangan maaliw nyo sila. You can convince them na magandang pumunta sa lugar na yon at maging isang mabait at mabuting turista. So situation in modern times, we don't anymore use paper brochure. Hindi na tayo gumagamit niyan dahil magkakasakit ka pa niyan. Baka ang brochure na tinatanggap niyo yung papel, baka may kasama pang COVID yan, lalo na pag di nyo nilagyan ng alcohol or hindi nyo dinisinfect. So, kailangan na rin bawasan ng paggamit ng papel because ngayong panahon, mahal ang papel at nakakasira ng gubat. So what's required is animated brochure. What kind of animation? Scratch. Dahil ito ang aralin ninyo sa subject na computers. Lugar. So first and foremost, kailangan pumili ka muna ng lugar sa Pilipinas. You cannot just simply do this by opening Scratch, then do an animation. No, that doesn't work. Kailangan mag-research muna. Paano mag-research? Magbukas ka ng another tab. Pumunta sa Google at maghanap ng tourist spots in the Philippines. Boom! You will need to do your research para alam mo ang magiging script ng bawat character sa animation.
Okay.
Okay? And you might want to speak for the character. Pwede mo siyang i-dub, pwede kang gumamit ng microphone mo at i-dub mo. But it is still required na yung animation mo mismo ay magsasalita, magkakaroon ng speech bubble. Because Scratch animation sa speech bubble function. So, mas maganda, mas mabilis. Diba? So, first things first, hindi ka makakaabot dyan without taking the first step. First, mag-decide ka muna. Sabihin mo sa classmate mo, akin na yung Cebu ha, akin yung buhisan. Wala nang kukuha sa buhisan dahil sa akin na yan. Oh, wala na, sa'yo na talaga yan. Okay? Pwede ka namang magsabi na, akin na yung kawasan ha, walang aagaw ng kawasan. Ako lang ang pwede sa kawasan. Akong may-ari niyan. So you will have to download the pictures, gentlemen. You have to download the pictures. Third, kailangan ng karakter. Kailangan ng mukha mo. Your full body shot. O kung ayaw mo ng mukha mo, mag-drawing ka ng mukha mo. You draw your face or you draw another character. Make an original character at hindi basta gaya lang ng gaya sa iba. Okay, how do I do that? All right, I'll have to give you an example using Scratch now. Sulatan mo na ng dialogue. Ako si Brandon Solidad at ngayong araw na to, dadalhin ko kayo sa Oslo Beach Resort. So how do you make your own sprite? Okay, pwede akong kumuha lang ng ulo ko, sarili kong ulo. I use my own head for a sprite. From a library, no? Paint a new sprite. Gagawa ko ng bagong sprite dito. So, to paint a new sprite, pwede rin akong kumuha mula sa file. Okay, get one from a file. And sa file na to, may picture na ako dito eh. I have my own picture already. So, yung picture ko na lang ang gagamitin ko. Ayun, there's my picture. Tanggalan ko na lang siya ng ulo. Okay? I'll just remove the head or maybe I'll just remove the body. Either way, it will work. Oh, ayan. Tatanggalan ko lang ng ulo. Ayun. Ulo-ulo lang. Ayun. And I can remove other parts of it. Like this one. Okay. Nasaan na ba siya? Select natin. Select natin. Delete natin. Ayun. Same procedure. Select and delete. Oh, ulo na lang yung matitira dyan. Trust me. The only thing that will be left down there is my head. Sample lang to ha. So, there's my sprite. My very first sprite is myself, actually. Sarili ko ang una kong sprite na gagawin. So, I can erase parts of it para malinis na malinis. Total, gusto na natin linisin, edi clean up na talaga. There. Ulo-ulo lang. Okay. Ayan. Ulo lang ha. There you go. So now I can create a new sprite and take advantage of this costume. Gagawin ko, kukopyahin ko to. Okay. Kukopyahin ko to. So I use the select tool and press Control C. Copy lang. And then dito, pumunta ako dito, and then, if you notice at the bottom, may nakasulat ditong bitmap mode, i-convert ko na siya sa vector mode. Ayun. At saka ako siya ipipaste. Kung kaya kong mag-paste, ha? Kung hindi, lagot tayo. Oh, balik muna natin. Ayaw mag-paste, no? Okay. Sige, paste natin. Ulitin natin ang copy-paste sequence. Dahil ayaw talaga. Kulit niya eh. Control-C. Control-V. Ayun. Dito na. Ayan. Ulo-ulo lang, no? Dito. So, first part, yan na yung ulo. Next, convert na natin into a vector. And then, lagyan na natin ng katawan. Of course. Sir, but the question is, why did you separate the head from the body? There's an explanation to that later.
Kaya para mo lihok?
Exactly! Tama. Para kaya niyang gumalaw. Malihok. Ayun. Delete. Ayun. Okay. And maybe I can delete this costume. I can delete this costume. Now, this one is good. I can put it here. And then, look, oh, ang dami niyan. Marami yan. I can use a circle for my body. Yun. Circle lang para sa katawan. Oh, lagyan natin ng kulay itim. Okay. Ayun na.
Teacher is having fun now.
Potato in a black suit.
Alright. Now, gawan ko na rin ng pantalon siguro. Let's give pants to him. Alright. Let's give him pants. Pant number 1. And let's fill it with a color as well. And pant leg number 2. There you go. Fill it in with a color now. Okay, sorry about that. Delete that one. Lagyan natin ng kulay. There you go. And of course, sleeves. Maglagay tayo ng sleeves. Ayun. That's the left sleeve. Lagyan ng kulay. Put some color on it. Turn it white, I guess. There you go. And make another sleeve from the other end. There you go. Make it black first. There you go. Control Z. Control Z. Make it black. Select black. Then use the box. Now you got a black box but the inside is transparent. Going white yung loob by selecting white and fill it in. So, paano gumalaw? Sprite number 1. Costume number 1. Duplicate natin. Then, costume number 2. Ito lang, oh. Sorry. Rotate natin. Rotate, rotate. There you go. Costume number 3. Duplicate natin. Move this one as well. Ayun. Move this one as well. And another costume. Duplicate ulit. So, gumagalaw na siya. Naglalakad na.
Question.
Move this one as well. Yes, go ahead. Please ask me a question.
Kailangan kanang kuan jud noon kanang sani. Kay kailangan siya na ikaw mo mutudlo or pwede mo tanog tutorial.
Of course, you can watch tutorials. You can do better than me. But this is the basic on making a person move. There you go. Simple-simple lang. Ayun. And then you stop the person here and start making him speak. So that is for just one character.
More
Of
siya
course,
tap dancing.
it's just one character. Then you still have to click stage. And for the stage, you can put as many backgrounds. The ones that I have shown you, like how to get there. You can put the bus. Then you add another backdrop. Okay. You can add another backdrop from a file. You just import the file ng lugar na yon, how it looks like. And then the next picture would be, perhaps it has garbage, and you can show how you do it by putting a trash can, and your hand can pick it up if you want to. So this is just the basic of it. Now, paano sir pagalawin ang Sprite na to? Ito na yung challenging part, because this time you will need to do programming. Oh no, programming. For every program, there's a start and an end. So if you followed me and you have created your own Sprite already, or you draw your own Sprite, you can be as creative as you want, because I know you're better than me in making these tombstab. So if you'd explore around, first, you have learned that we can convert from bitmap to vector. That's one. Second, if it's a bitmap, the tools are here. If it's vector, the tools are now here. If you're doing bitmap, the picture is one whole of it. The complete picture is a bitmap. While for the vector, you can move parts of it. Like you can move the head like that. Okay. And then you can move the head like this. Then you can move the head like that again. And then you can move the head like this again. There you go. So you can do that if you're using vector. So how can I animate it? Let's start it. Event. The first event is to start. So there's the green flag to start it. Then I will make it appear, of course. Make it appear. Show. Then you have to be in your costume number 1. Okay, or costume 2 at that. You wait for a few seconds, or maybe less than 1 second. So you wait for 1 second, or maybe 1/2 second, 0.5. And you switch to costume 3. Then do the same. Okay, repeat na natin to. Duplicate. And duplicate ulit. Ayon. So what's the point of duplicating? Dahil paulit-ulit lang naman eh. So costume 3, costume 4, costume 5. But if you want it to go back to the start, then you go for a control that it will go back to the start and repeat forever. Where's the repeat forever? There, forever. I want you to repeat it forever. See? Drag and drop lang. Let's try it. Okay, there you go. I think in the last costume, may missing siya na 0.5 seconds. Ayun. 0.5, sorry. 0.5 seconds. There you go. Let's do it again and move. There you go. He is dancing now. So that's the basic of making a scratch animation. When will you start? Start as early as now. Good luck and God bless you all.